Alright guys, I've noticed my water has been a little bit different lately, especially while showering. It just didn't seem right, so I'm meaning to come down to the basement and check out my water softener. And I noticed it is flashing ER number 1. So this is a Fleck 5600 head. It's about 9 years old. And it's been pretty trouble-free. I think 4 or 5 years ago, it was probably the same issue, and there was a filter screen behind this little cover here at these 2 screws. So I cleaned that at that time, and the problem went away. So I'm going to try doing that again. We'll see what that looks like. I already shut the water off for the house here, and I open these lines to let the pressure out, and back here I turn this to bypass. So let's go ahead and get these 2 screws out. Yep, and there's the screen there. And it does look pretty plugged up solid. So that's probably the issue here. So go ahead and clean this up and put it back in. Okay, so I cut open a pop can and I put some lime away in there. Just letting that soak for a bit. I may not even have to scrub it because this stuff will just eat. Okay, this worked out really well. This, I didn't have to scrub it. I just let it soak in there for like a minute. And yeah, that screen is totally clear. So we'll put that back in there. Get this cover back on. Alright, cover's back on. Now we got to figure out how to clear this code. So I'm wondering if we just unplug it for a little bit. Okay, I just unplugged it for a few seconds and the code is no longer there. So go ahead and turn the water back on. And I'll turn this back to service. It'll probably just go off. It says recharge, so it'll go off. I think it's set for like 4 a.m. So okay, so I just forced regeneration. I just held this button down here and then it started the process. If you're having a problem with your Fleck head on your water softener, check out this little screen right here. That's probably your problem. Alright, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.